y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a skincare routine. You see, I've been having some clear skin lately, so I just want to show y'all how to get y'all skin as clear as possible. So yeah, I know y'all don't want to hear me talk, so let's get into the video. So first I'm going to be washing my hands. The first thing you want to do is wash your hands thoroughly, because you don't want the dirt from your hands to get on your face, and that just makes everything worse. So I'm going to be using some Dove soap and just washing our hands. So next we're going to get a washcloth, a clean rag, for you to just wash your face off and wash all the dirt off. Usually I have makeup on, so if you do have makeup on, I use the Neutrogena makeup wipes to take off my makeup. Okay, so next what I'm going to be using is Cetaphil, however you pronounce it. And this is the daily facial cleanser. It's for normal to oily skin. I feel like sometimes I have oily skin, and then like when the winter comes I have like dry skin or like combination. So I don't even know like what kind of skin I really have. But this works for me. Alright, then we're going to put that. Just one pump is fine. And we're just gonna put it all over our face. And now I'm going to just rinse my face under the water to get everything off. Okay, so next what I'm going to do is get a dry rag and just pat my face dry. You don't want to drag your hair across your face because that can create irritation and make your face red or anything. So just pat it dry. Okay, so next what I'm going to be using is the GLAMGLOW Supermud Cleansing Treatment. And it's just like a little mask. And this stuff is really good, like if you get blackheads or just like pimples anywhere, it's good for that stuff. So I just put it all over my face, and then we're gonna wait for it to dry. We're gonna wait about 5 to 10 minutes for it to dry. And this stuff does like tingle a little. Well, not like a little, a lot. But it does tingle, so I don't do this every single night. I do it about 3 times a week, but not every night. So Now we're gonna leave this on for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and update you guys. Okay, so I am back. My lips are really dry, but I'm back and I'm ready to wash this off. I know like everything isn't dry, but it's been about 10 minutes, about 12 actually, and it's just not, all of it isn't drying. So it still does the same thing. So we're just gonna wash away all of this. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to be using is my Dickinson Witch Hazel. And let me tell y'all, this is like the best thing that I use. See, it's like almost gone. Like, I really use this. Like, it tones your face out, and it just makes everything look so good, make your face look so smooth, and it gives you this glow. This is the glow everybody be having in their pictures. Like, this is what you need to get to make you glow, okay? And then I just use a cotton ball to put it on my face. And you don't want to put too much. You just go around your face one good time. Then I also just go back in on the darker areas that I have on my face and just focus on that area more closely like this. Alright, and then you just want to let this dry. Okay, so this is the last step that I'm gonna do, and what I used is, this is just a moisturizer. It's the Neutrogena oil-free moisturizer with sunscreen. I just feel like this really moisturizes my skin. So we're just gonna rub that in, and I just put it on my face. That was the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit that like button down below, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you next time.